Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to a brand new video. And today's video is going to be showing you guys the best way to remove the background in Photoshop without using the pen tool. I'm going to be showing you guys two methods of doing this. One is inside of Photoshop and the other one is outside of Photoshop. So you know, if you're on mobile or something, you can still do this. And yeah, let's get into it. Alright, so for this video I'm just going to be using this picture of Trippy Red. And the first method we're going to be using or doing is going to be in Photoshop. Now I'm going to walk you guys step by step on how you do it. So say your image is in smart object mode and it has this little page next to it or on the layer. You want to right click on the layer, go to rasterize layer, and then and now what you want to do is you want to go up to window, go down to properties and make sure that it has a check on it, and you want to go over here and then you want to scroll down a bit, and then there's going to be an option here that says remove background. All you want to do is just click on it, and yeah, it's as simple as that. Now it's not going to be perfect, like as you can see here it got rid of his arm a bit. Let me just let me show you guys a little tip here. So if you want to fill something back in, you want to have the white brush selected. If you want to switch between them, just press X, and yeah, just to fill something in you want to use the white brush. If you want to get rid of something, you want to use the black one. And yeah, so I'm just gonna bring this back in. I'm gonna get rid of this with a black brush. Alright, so next method is for the mobile and people who don't have Photoshop. So this is the best remove background site. I found it removes your background and you can download it in a high quality. It's not like some shitty 480p quality. So all you have to do is go over here, click an image, and you just want to wait for it. This is way better than the one in Photoshop. I don't know why, it's literally powered by Photoshop, but way better than the Photoshop one. But if it does make a mistake, you can't go back and like fill it in. So once it's done, you just want to click download, and yay, that's it. So if you guys did enjoy the video, or if you did learn anything new, which you probably did, leave a like and subscribe. I'm going to be making more videos, little tutorials like this. And yeah, peace.